Even the safest of spaces couldn't lock out a pandemic. The closed sign has hung for over a year at a place known to be open for all.
It's been extremely tough for, I think, all of us, especially for organizations like mine who thrive on communities coming together and coming through the door to be with one another. It's been especially difficult.
A difficult sight made worse by this. The silence inside the center on Colfax, where people gathered, teens played, and voices were always heard. During COVID-19, Joe Foster says that all changed.
In the first week of when we went into quarantine last March, we turned everything into a virtual program, just so people could feel as though they weren't alone this entire time.
But the efforts across the country were no match for a shutdown. According to the Trevor Project, nationally, 42% of LGBTQ youth seriously considered attempting suicide during the pandemic. 70% of LGBTQ youth stated their mental health was poor most of the time or always during it.
It broke my heart. Those numbers really did. It made me feel as though we came so far and we're just being set back continuously.
Numbers they want to change. Despite the center's in-person efforts being limited right now, virtually they are far-reaching. With online support groups and a referral system in place, they hope they can help these teens ignore hate and understand while this organization may be physically closed, support and safety will always be the center of what they do.
We are not going away.
Jaleesa Irizarry, 9 News.